clean up your social media accounts before launching a job search. Just because somebody can tag you in a post doesn't mean that it should appear on your timeline. I'll show you in this video how to fix the settings so that you can approve tags beforehand, and if somebody's tagged you, you can delete or hide the post from your timeline. From your Facebook app on any smart device, go ahead and select the gear setting and let's change your tagging preferences. So under Settings and Privacy, Audience and Visibility, under the Profile and Tagging menu, scroll all the way to the bottom and go to Reviewing. And on this setting, it allows you to review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So it's your first right of refusal to say, yes, I want to be tagged on this or not. And then review posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. I have that on as well. So not only will I not be tagged in a photo until I approve it, but it won't appear on my profile until I approve it. So you receive a notification when somebody tags you on a post, and it looks like this. Select the ... button at the top of the post, and you can remove the tag from yourself. Or if you scroll down a little further, you can hide or add the post to your Facebook profile.